Today we're making salsa. So you're gonna need cilantro, a lime, 2 tomatoes, an onion, 1 clove of garlic, a jalapeno to taste, and salt to taste. First, I put down a towel so that my cutting board wouldn't slide around while I was cutting. Then I began to dice the tomatoes. You want a pretty much small dice when you're doing this. There's me, so you know I'm dicing them. Using a serrated knife so that it doesn't slip and slide. Going long ways and then going short ways and the other way so that you get these nice, even, beautiful salsa dices. Wow, incredible. Now I went ahead and put them aside into a bowl and cleaned up and got ready for the onion. So you're going to want to peel it, and I chopped it in half to make it easier. And once your onion's naked, you're going to do a pretty, not so rough chop, but a chop to make it square. And for this recipe, you're going to want to use 2 tablespoons. So for the cilantro, I went ahead and patted it dry and bunched it all up so I could begin to do a chiffonade cut. And once I've done the chiffonade cut, I bunch it up again and then I chop. Once I was done chopping, just like the onions, I did 2 tablespoons of the cilantro. You're just going to need 1 clove of garlic, and I went ahead and cut off the ends and did a little mince for the garlic, and then I added it in when I was done. Now that that's all diced and sliced and beautiful, I went ahead and just added it together before I did the jalapeno. Now the jalapeno is optional if you want a little kick, but I just decided to do 1 tablespoon. You're welcome to add 2 tablespoons if you so please. Pretty much lastly, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of lime juice, and you add that straight to the mixture and then mix it all up. Here I added a few pinches of salt just for taste, but that's also optional as well. I transferred it into a serving bowl and added a little garnish of cilantro. And I served it with some Tostitos. Very good. What do you think? Yeah? What do you think, Joel? Is it good? Okay, my dad's making a face here, but I promise he was just joking. He didn't actually mean it. He thought it was very good.
Delicious.
Yay.
It's fresh like I would expect.